Good afternoon, everyone. Pa-flex ko lang yung new arrival nating crop top. Ayan. Amana Fashion made in Bangladesh, 100% cotton with color water. Ayan, maganda siya. Was with color water. Ayan. Maganda, guys. Ayan. Mga color niya. Meron tayong white, meron black, meron ordros. Yes po, sir. Meron red, also white, and green. Also is another design. This. Ayan, I have a assorted, be real. I have assorted also. Ayan, also I have print the card. Ayan, PM lang, stronger. And ayan, maraming design. Meron din tayong mga ganyan t-shirt crop top. And meron din tayong sando. And like this crop top. Yan, maganda siya. Ito naman, Zara ang brand. With button crop top. Also, I have polo crop top. So, this color available. Also, beanie crop top. Ayan. Also, I have short. Ladies short with pocket 2 by side. And high waist short. Yeah, so nice design. So also I have sweatshirt, Tommy brand, also the US brand. So PM lang. Also I have dress, and I have striped crop top, sando crop top for ladies. So, PM lang, short for kids, and 6 packet. 6 packet and 4 packet. And short. Oversize. Just PM lang. 3/4 Bermuda short. Also, I have men's t-shirt, Boss brand.